look at all three cars in one frame, which we did not have last night. Night 2, and my new ride with the wing car. Madeline loaned me her cup. I filled it up with Pedialyte. How's it going over here?
Good.
Good. So if you ever read the comments on my videos, there's a lot of people that like to thank Tim for helping me be in a really good car. So
really,
I thought I would mention that on camera, and I think everybody loves the 7X. Are you the birthday girl? How old are you today? Or 5? Yeah. I thought they didn't let the Amish work on sprint cars. How you doing?
good. How about yourself?
Doing good. Doing good. You guys have been running well?
Yeah, we haven't been bad.
Yeah.
We weren't that great in the feature, but
This place is tough.
it is.
This place is so... Alright, rolling through the pit area. And it's time to go back, get some water in me, get my helmet all taken care of. Welcome back to the channel. We're wing racing at the IRONMAN I-55 race. IRONMAN 55. I don't even know. What's up, dude? I don't even know. Okay, so I'm in the second flight of wing cars.
We're gonna hot lap, and then we're gonna turn around, and we're gonna bring everybody back in, and then we're gonna go out qualifying instead of like last night. So, at least that's what I heard.
Hey, thank you.
Is that what you want to do?
I don't know. My guys just told me to go watch. Change of format. We don't even know what's going on here. We're in group 4, getting ready to go practice with the wing car. Welcome back to the show. Yeah, got me a wing ride. And we are at I-55, the IRONMAN 55. So cool. This is the first time I've run a World of Outlaws car. So pretty pumped about that. Running the midget as well today. So super busy day. I'm not going to be able to talk to the camera a whole bunch. Hey, this is pretty intense. I got a lot going on tonight. But the wing car around here is about as intense as it gets. It wings in so hard, and then coming off the corner, it's just trying to fly the nose all the way down the straightaway. So, got done with practice, and we were holding our own. We were 9th before the last group went out, 9th overall, which is pretty sporty. I think we were in the 4th group. There was already 30 cars out, so yeah, I'll take it. Now I just need to not get worked up here. We got all the heroes back here, of course, right? So keep my head underneath me, and 2 good laps. That's all I need to do. 2 good laps sets the entire night. And last night I didn't do a good job, so tonight I better do a good job. We're in the 2nd flight, so that's kind of cool. Give us 2 flights. We're in the middle of the group, so I think that's okay. Trying to get
Jose, California, driving the Amick Burnett Funeral Chapel, Scott County Crematorium, Brown's Construction Chambers Racing Products, number 50K, Tmez, Thomas Meserol. Thomas Meserol in car number 50K. Made his World of Outlaws debut last night, finished 10th in the Microlight Last Chance Showdown, a 3-time midget winner this season. Opening lap for Tmez is a 10.831, 10831. Power Midget winner here in 2018. Second lap time for Meserol. Better, still sixth quick at a 10.804, 10804.
Felt pretty good. I think we went a 10.8, which isn't bad. They got a little tight down the straightaway, but I'll take it. That was pretty intense. Just like that. Was it good? Felt good. Better than yesterday? 8.4. That's good, right? I think.
6 so far.
Oh yeah, that's much better than last night.
10-6 flat. Yeah.
Quick time.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Sweet. So we just got done with qualifying in the midget. We were P2 in the midget. We were almost quick time, but we weren't. We were P2. And that's a lot better than we were last night. Talk about intense. Oh my goodness. Go from being just hauling absolute tail in the wing car. It is like Tron speed. And then you get in the midget and you're just like skipping across the top of the track. So totally eerie, on the edge feeling, nothing like the wing car. The wing car is just like haul ass. It's like Tron speed is all I can say. You know, you get going and it's like the midget, you get out there and it's just kind of skipping on top of the track. And whew.
Okay, that's the only shock I touched right now.
Okay.
Tire pressure stayed the same. We got hose clamps on that to hold it.
Okay, sweet. Well, they just blew the horn, and that means it's heat race time. We went second quick in the midget, so we're making gains there, and we're starting 5th in the heat race with this. So we're starting in a transfer. They take 5. Last night we started like 9th or 11th, so we're feeling pretty good about this. I just got to stay where I'm at, maybe move forward a little bit. So I hadn't actually seen a lineup, so about this time, when I see who's in front of me, I'm kind of chuckling to myself. Wishful thinking to go forward, but we're going to maintain. That's what I'm going with here. done with the heat, and we were a little bit tight. I'm not sure where I missed. I kind of wasn't great on the start, so that was kind of my fault, but we ended up 7th. That's going to put us in the B. We really needed to run 5th where we were starting if we wanted to transfer, but the car just was flying the front end and just couldn't keep the front end down. So we're in the B. Do we know where we start in the B? Second. Oh yeah. Love it. Oh, that just made my night much better. All right, we're gonna put you back in the box. Get my steering wheel's with the midget. Go get it, please.
Which one? The one that has writing on it, or the one you need?
The other one. The one in the car. The one with the grip tape. All right, we're late. We had a little bit of an issue. They re-blocked the car to raise the car, and somewhere in there something got messed up. They set the car down on the ground, and the left rear was like 2 or 3 turns less than before. So the car is just very left rear low and down. But we were out of time, so we pushed up here to the B main. We're supposed to start on the outside front row, but we ended up starting 4th. I test this thing out as soon as we push it off, and it just wants to fly the nose. Luckily, I got to burn it through the corner here and feel it out. It was already buried in the bump stop and almost into the ground. So the new game plan here is just to be careful on the start so I don't crash the field. And I have to ease this thing into the corner so that I don't bury the frame rail into the ground. What a thrash. I don't think I've ever worked this hard in my life. We start 4th in the midget feature. Okay.
But then that should help you because you should be snug in the middle, right? I mean,
Yeah.
One time you roll through there, you're beautiful.
Yeah, okay.
Just keep going, then yeah, we shouldn't have changed the gear, but it is what it is now. So keep it spun up.
I had 30 tear-offs on and I'm pulling them as fast as I can. Oh, that was interesting, huh? That's how banked this place is. Wouldn't have hurt my feelings if they ran into Ken and Macintosh. So that's kind of sad that it didn't.
we made the feature, my first World of Outlaws start here at I-55, the Ironman 55 laps World of Outlaw race, a sold out grandstand. Oh, they just tilled the track though, so you're not going to be able to see much because it's going to get muddy quick. We start in the back of the field, so we're not expecting much, but we're really happy we made the show. Collect some money. Getting to race with the World of Outlaw heroes, that's kind of been a dream of mine. So this is, I can't thank Kenny Pope enough for letting me drive this thing and giving me an opportunity. Oh, if you would, please leave a comment below what you guys think of me going wing racing. I know I didn't have a lot of time to talk to the camera tonight, but oh, hey now! Hey now! First time being here?
I go to a lot of sprint cars.
You get to go to a lot of sprint car races? That's awesome. Not a bad night.